Hey there, beauty lovers. If you've ever wondered how to make your eyes stand out without using false lashes, you're in the right place. In this episode, I'll walk you through some simple, effective tips that'll give your eyes that wide, bright, attention-grabbing look all using just your natural lashes and a few makeup tricks. Let's get right into it. 1. Curl your lashes the right way. Our first tip is all about curling your lashes. This is honestly one of the easiest and most powerful steps to make your eyes look more open. Here's how to do it. Take your eyelash curler and gently squeeze it at the base of your lashes. Hold it there for about 5 seconds. Then, move it up to the middle of your lashes, squeeze again, and finally curl the tips. This creates a natural lift, no lash glue required. For an extra boost, warm up the curler just a little with a blow dryer for a couple of seconds. Just make sure it's not too hot. 2. Apply mascara like a pro. Now let's talk mascara. To make your lashes look long and full, start at the base and wiggle the wand upward. Apply 2 to 3 coats to the top lashes and 1 light coat on the bottom. Go for a mascara that lengthens and adds volume. This simple step makes your natural lashes pop and gives your eyes a more awake and defined look. 3. Try tight lining. Tight lining is a super subtle but powerful way to define your eyes. It involves applying eyeliner on your upper waterline, that's the area right under your top lashes. Use a waterproof pencil in black or dark brown. Gently press it into the roots of your lashes, not on top, but underneath. It gives your lash line a thicker look, even though it doesn't look like you're wearing eyeliner at all. 4. Use eyeliner strategically. Speaking of eyeliner, you don't need thick, dramatic lines to make your eyes pop. Instead, try a soft pencil liner. Smidge it gently into your upper lash line for a subtle shadow effect. If you want to lift the eyes, flick the liner up just slightly at the outer corner. And here's a great trick: use a nude or white liner on your lower waterline. It helps your eyes look bigger and more awake. 5. Highlight the inner corners and brow bone. Next up, light and shimmer. Adding a little highlighter to the inner corners of your eyes and just under the arch of your eyebrows makes your eyes look fresh and bright. Choose a soft shimmer, something in pearl, champagne, or gold tones, depending on your skin tone. This creates a beautiful contrast and gives your eyes that glow from within look. 6. Frame your eyes with well-groomed brows. Never underestimate the power of good brows. They frame your face and help your eyes stand out even more. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in sparse areas. Then brush your brows upward with a spoolie and set them with brow gel. Clean, defined brows, more attention on your eyes. 7. Smart eyeshadow placement. Let's talk eyeshadow. Use a matte shade in the crease to add depth. Then apply a shimmer or metallic shade on the center of your eyelid to catch the light. To lift the eyes, blend a darker color in the outer corners and always blend outward and slightly upward. This creates shape, dimension, and a flattering effect that works on any eye shape. 8. Brighten the under eye area. Dark circles can make your eyes look smaller and tired. Use a brightening concealer under your eyes to lift and refresh the area. Apply it in a small triangle shape under the eye, then blend it out. Set it with a little powder so it stays in place all day. This draws light to your face and puts the focus right where you want it, your eyes. 9. Keep the lower lash line light. Last tip: don't go heavy on the lower lash line. Too much dark eyeliner or shadow underneath your eye can actually make them look smaller. Instead, try a soft top or light brown shadow. Or for a little glow, use a small touch of shimmer on the lower inner lash line. This opens up the eyes and keeps the whole look balanced. Wrap UP. And there you have it, 9 easy, effective ways to make your eyes pop without using false lashes. Let's quickly recap. Curl your lashes. Use mascara the right way. Tight line your eyes. Apply eyeliner strategically. Highlight the right areas. Define your brows. Blend eyeshadow smartly. Brighten your under eye. And go easy on that lower lash line. You don't need fake lashes to look fabulous. With the right techniques, your natural eyes can shine, all on their own. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to subscribe and share this with a friend or follow for more beauty guides. Thanks for watching and keep glowing naturally.